The US dollar is lower against the majors this morning. Currency pairs have reversed recent trends. US President-elect Donald Trump delivered his first press conference on Wednesday, and the disappointment over the lack of details on policy hit market sentiment. Of course, it boils down to expectations of a reflation trade. The US currency is at its weakest level seen since November of last year in terms of the dollar index. And speaking of which, Fed speeches are on tap today. Philly Fed President Patrick Harker will be speaking, along with Chicago Fed President Charles Evan. We also have Atlanta Fed President Dennis Lockhart, and later today, St. Louis Fed President James Bullard, as well as Dallas Fed President Kaplan will be speaking. And in the evening, Fed Chair Janet Yellen will address educators at a town hall meeting in Washington. In terms of U.S. economic data, initial jobless claims increased by 10,000 to a seasonally adjusted 247,000 level for the week ended January 7th. As for this morning's currency moves, euro dollar is higher by 0.6%, trading at 1.0647. Pound dollar is up 0.5% at 1.2272, while dollar yen is back above 114, trading lower by 0.9% at 114.34. And the apparent focus today is the euro-yen cross. It is bearish and capped by its declining trend line. Trading Central analysts prefer short positions below 122, with targets standing at 121.20 and 120.80 in extension. Precious metals are in a bullish mode today, and this does come on the heels of dollar weakness. Now, gold and silver futures are up about 0.5% in New York morning trade. Gold is above its rising 20-day and 50-day moving average, which does play support roles and maintains the upside bias. The RSI is also bullish, and its neutrality level at 50 calls for further upside. Trading Central analysts do prefer long positions above 1196, with targets at 12 and 1217 in extension. Meanwhile, silver futures are higher by 0.7%, trading hands at $16.94 a troy ounce. That does wrap it up for this morning. I'm Remy Blair, reporting from the New York Stock Exchange. Make sure to follow us on Twitter at Trading Central. Thanks for watching.